Yes, you are correct. I am not wearing a hat today. Why? Because the product that we are looking at requires me kind of to be hatless. Yep, hatless. And today we're looking at the BlueStarRing Headband. BlueStarRing Headband, it's right here. Bluetooth headband, bone conducting technology from BlueStarRing. Right now, just so you guys can see, they have two, and this one's more of like the full kind of headband. This is, I'm not even sure, it's more of a workout-y. I'm not sure, I don't know. We have this one. Right now, $46 at time of filming. It looks like it's usually about $70. But I don't know if this, it says limited time offer, which is 15 minutes left, which means I'm definitely not getting this video up in time. But maybe they'll continue to have this fantastic deal for you fine folks out there. Anyways, what we're gonna do is crack open the box, pair it with my phone, and take a listen to see what these are like. All right, coming up. Okay, my friends, bone conduction Bluetooth headbands. You get them in two colors, a blue and I believe like a gray. I'm gonna put some little video footage of this video up there so you guys can see it. Features clear, comfortable sound, I'm with you. And I've never tried bone conducting headphones. So some of the perks of these, for instance, and probably some of the big ones, number one is no damage to your ears because it's not actually coming through your ears. It's coming, I think they mount more in here, in kind of this area, right? My hair's all like wonky. It's not hat day. But they kind of sit in on the bone right here. And they kind of, I guess, and I don't know, they kind of like vibrate to push sound through. Now, again, bonus of that is no hearing damage. And second thing is it allows your ears to continue to hear other outside sounds. So if you are, let's say, doing your running or cycling or anything like that, then you don't want to have necessarily all that other sound taken away from you because then it can become dangerous, right? You want to be able to hear the surroundings and still listen to your other stuff. So I can see this kind of being cool. It talks about, air conduction, and that's a big thing with like earbuds is that they seal, so they do put some extra pressure sometimes on your ears. Stay in touch with surroundings, as it says here. Keep dry while working out, well, because it's a headband, right? Enjoy better sound with versatile design. Also like an ear warmer, music therapy, sleep and dream. That's the other thing. If you're going to use this, like if you want to sleep, you can pull it down over your eyes. And if you my guess is, happen to be a person that rolls over, you're not going to be putting pressure on your ear. It's still going to put pressure on you, but it's going to be here, which is way less damaging than here. And if you're like me, as far as I know, these come with like one, I don't want to call it a speaker. It's not a speaker, but it comes with one. So I think you can take it out and decide if you want it on your left or your right. So for me, for instance, I sleep 90% of the time on my right-hand side if I roll over. 90% of the time. So because of that, it would be better for me to actually have it on my left side because then I would never happen, right? So you can kind of switch it around. Improve your sleep, unique listening experience, use hands-free, wireless Bluetooth connectivity, intuitive controls. There they are. Previous volume, play, pause, call, next volume. We're not going to go through any of that today. We're going to just kind of listen to them and take a look. One size fits all. Soft moisture wicking material for those of you that get a little damp when working out. I get it. That's cool. Skin friendly and soft. Machine washable. Just make sure you take the speaker out. Does it say that? Yeah. Please remove the. Oh, it does say please remove the speaker. So they are calling it a speaker. I wasn't sure if they did or not. And there's your specifications. All right. Here's the box. Bluetooth 5, safe open ear design, comfortable headband. I got mine in the blue, and that's kind of it. That's it. So we open this up somehow, just like that, and we get a. Before you begin, what does it say? Please read these instructions. Yeah, I'm with you. Guess what? I'm not going to do. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do it anyway. I guess I'm going to read some of it. Please charge. So they want you to charge it up, which I have. I took it out and charged it. Power on, power off, Bluetooth pairing. It's called the KML 201, just so you know what you're looking for. And that's all I'm doing. All right, and what else do we have here? We have these, and we have a USB, and it is USB micro USB to USB-A. But that's a nice braided cable. I'll give it that. I like the silver. That's kind of nice. And it's braided, so it should be nice and good quality. That's good. That's going on over here, and here they be. So I don't necessarily know if I'm a headband wearer. Some of you may be, and I appreciate that. But this is it. Now, the first thing to realize, I got this, and again, I've taken it out of the box already, and I got this, and I was like, how does this stick? How does it? And then I realized this piece here, this little guy, you have to take that off, and then now it sticks. It's the simple things, right? It's the simple things. And then this, and you can tell, this one has the speaker in it, right? There's it is. But this side over here has the exact same things on it, but it's empty. There's nothing there. So one speaker, but you can take this speaker out. You just pop these open, right? You just open this up. You take that out if you want, pop it in there. And if it depends, if, like I said, do you prefer it on your left? Do you prefer it on your right? So you're not gonna get like a full stereo sound. It is kind of just coming in. Just kind of be aware of that. But you have your power. It's also gonna be, as the thing said, your play, pause, turn off, your forward, your rewind, etc., etc. All right, I might as well put it on, right? So this, and it's funny because I was like, these don't go back like all the way to your ears, but they're not supposed to. They're supposed to sit in front of the ears. And you can say it. You can say it. You're probably thinking to yourself, there is no way that I'm going to look near as good as this guy does wearing this headband. And I get it. You can say it, and I feel it. I do. So really your concern, as far as I know, and I'm not an expert, is this, the one with the speaker especially, you want it to sit kind of like here, right? You want it in this kind of spot in front of your ear, that little bone part right there, right? Bone conductive. All right, I'm with you. And then we're coming here to the phone. Okay, I'm excited. And we are going into my Bluetooth. Here we go. And we're finding that they are raised, so that's good. You push, I'm gonna push and hold. Bluetooth mode. All right. There they are, KML 201. And it's really, I'm gonna crank them up because why wouldn't you? I'm going up to about 60%. First, we're gonna go there, going into music. And it is a little different. Now, I don't know how much sound these put out to the outside world, but I'm styling, right? You can say it, leave a comment. Should I be wearing these just all the time? Going to the grocery store, picking up the mail? Possibly, you know? And it does keep your ear. I can see how that could keep your ears warm in the winter. Oh yes. Okay, anyways, you're gonna listen, because you can't hear what I'm hearing, but you're gonna listen to see how much bleed is there. So we're gonna go do some rock stuff first, as always. And we are going right here. And it is a little different because it only comes out of the one side, right? So you're only getting one side, all right? And we're at 60%. It's definitely not crazy loud. But let's crank it right up. Now, when it's all the way up at 100, you can literally feel it vibrating up against that bone, right? I don't know if I would like it at 100%. Let's oops. Maybe like at about 80 or 90%. Yeah, right about there. Yeah, it's okay. When I was at 100%, I actually found that its vibration was kind of so much, and maybe I'm not wearing it in the right spot. No, that's definitely where it feels best. You just got to get it up against that so it's fairly tight, so it doesn't just, because if it's not tight enough, I find, then, let's get that a little tighter. Yeah, that's better. Is that you really feel that vibration where the speaker, I guess, kind of lifts and it kind of gives you a little tickle. Not the kind of tickle that you like. But once it's tighter, it's a bit better. And if I definitely crank that up to 100, the sound is okay, still weird, but I can hear everything like perfectly, right? Because it's not in my ears. but the vibration is way up there where I'm like, yeah, that's makes my ear itchy. Okay, but that's a really bassy song. But you know what? We're all going to be listening to songs that probably are bassy, I would think. Nothing wrong with some good bass. Now I'm going to go to my Lady Gaga song because this is the one I always choose. And if you're listening to something that has a lot of the highs, I don't think you're going to have an issue with that kind of vibration, right? That little tickle that you get. It's when you have something with a lot of bass. So like this part of this song is great. I could have this up at full, right? No worries. Right, I am at full. It's not super loud, just so you know. All right, ready? Let's hear it. Bass kicking in. Yeah, it's different. This one doesn't tickle my ear as much. That sounds funny to say. It doesn't tickle my ear as much, but there is this kind of like pressure right on that bone, right? But I guess it's vibration based, so it's kind of has to. Again, not crazy loud. Now, it may just naturally be or feel louder if you had two. It's like listening to one headphone or earbud, right? It's like not that loud, and you put them both in, and you're like, oh no, that's loud. So that's probably the same with these. It'd be cool if you could just order a second speaker and have them paired if you felt like it. But it's one. All right. So definitely not something I think that you're gonna get if you're like an audiophile looking for the utmost sound quality, right? You're looking for something that, again, you're probably not even going to be blasting the music at like 100. You want something that you can listen to music or listen to a podcast or listen to whatever you're listening to when you're out and about, going for a run, going for a jog, going for a cycle. But you don't want the rest of the world to disappear, because if it disappears, now you're in danger. You're in danger, right? You want to be able to hear the cars. You want to be able to hear the traffic. You want to be able to hear all this stuff. But on a side note, you're thinking, how can I take my fashion sense and just raise it up a notch? Just kind of put it up to that next level. You're looking at it. This is it. This is the next level right here. And if it's nighttime and you're ready for a little sleepy time, you're like, I'm gonna put some nice sounds, some bird sounds. I'm gonna put the ocean crashing in. I'm gonna just lift this up a little bit, drop it down here, you know. Get that in that spot again, right there. Yep, that's good. And I'm gonna have myself a little nap. Yep, I get it. So yeah, I think you're buying this for a very specific reason. You're not buying it because you're looking for, again, the utmost in audio quality, because you're going to be disappointed. You're looking for something that's going to give you some audio, but you want something that's a little more on the relaxing side. You want some music while you're working out. You want to have it to help you sleep or to reduce stress, things like that. Then I think, yeah, it's actually kind of cool. And it is soft, for sure. And it's stretchy, so once you get that tightened, you should be good. Now, if you have a really small head, I don't know. Head sizes, right? Who knows? All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna leave you there. This is the BlueStarRing Bone Conducting Headset. Yeah, kind of cool. All right, my friends, I'll put links to their website if you're interested, and we will leave it there. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit the little notification bell, because that always helps. And you guys get to see if I have any more amazing fashion statements that I can send your way. Why would you want to miss that? You wouldn't. No, sir or ma'am or whoever. No way. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.